2024 is ending. What will you take away from this year? Was it a year of transformation or a period of stagnation? Whatever your feelings, the goal is clear: to make 2025 an extraordinary year, and it starts right now. Let me share 7 essential keys to help you lay the foundations for a year of alignment, meaning, and success. Key 1. Define who you want to be in 12 months' time. Don't start with, what do I want to do or have? Go straight to the heart of the matter. Who do you want to be? Who you are determines your actions and results. Ask yourself, in a year's time, what will my standard be? Who is the version of myself I want to become? Action step: write down 3 traits or habits you want to embody within the next year and commit to them today. Key 2. Learn to respond rather than react. In an uncertain world, your greatest strength is your ability to respond to events rather than react impulsively. When faced with the unexpected, ask yourself, what is the best use of my energy to respond to this situation? Action step: identify one emotional trigger that prompts you to react. Then, commit to pausing for 30 seconds before responding. Key 3. Build deep self-confidence. Self-confidence isn't innate, it's built through action and repetition. Understand yourself, your strengths, your weaknesses, and your ability to evolve. Action step: every day, do something that takes you slightly out of your comfort zone. Small, consistent steps will build lasting confidence. Key 4. Cultivate an intentional focus. In a world saturated with distractions, your greatest resource is your attention. Ask yourself, what really matters? Push everything else aside. Action step: write down your top 3 priorities for the first quarter of 2025 and post them in a visible place. Key 5. Invest in the right resources. Your most valuable assets are your time, energy, and attention. The cumulative effect is powerful. Small, regular actions lead to big, long-term results. Action step: choose a simple routine, like 10 minutes of exercise or journaling, and commit to it for 30 days. Key 6. Your environment. Your environment can either lift you up or bring you down. The people around you influence your energy, ideas, and ambitions. Surround yourself with those who uplift and inspire you, and remember to contribute to others' growth as well. Action step: list 3 people you'd like to strengthen ties with in 2025 and reach out to them today. Key 7. A plan aligned with values and vision. A goal without a plan is just wishful thinking. Visualize your ultimate goal for 2025. What do you want to achieve and why? Then, break it down into simple steps and concrete actions. Action step: write down your vision for 2025 in 1 sentence. Make sure it's clear, motivating, and aligned with your values. Bonus tip: follow your North Star. Your vision isn't just a goal, it's your source of energy and motivation. It represents your why, the deeper meaning behind your actions. Conclusion: 2025 will be what you make of it. Nothing is set in stone, but everything begins with a choice to act with intention, alignment, and resilience. So, what will be your first action to prepare for 2025? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya.